Hi, it's Jen Hadfield from Tater Tots and Jello, and today I'm sharing my newest line with Pebbles. It's called This is Family, and I have a really easy gift idea that you can make. It's just using paper, and it's with my washi tape. So I showed the whole line in another video. You'll have to go check it out because it's full of just bright, happy, different papers, ephemera, and I didn't have a chance to show you the washi tape from the line in that video. So I just wanted to do that really quickly. We have the little people in the line are my favorite, just all sorts of little family people. We have stripes, we have sayings like "we are family," different patterns, and I love the little bit of the shine that they have, florals, just really fun washi tapes. So for this project, it's like a 2-minute project. You will cut out a little pillow box. It's a shape that you can use with your craft cutting machine. And then all we do to put it together is put a line of glue, fold down the little tab, put the glue on, put it together like this, and then it pops open and it's already scored. So all you have to do is just fold it together on the ends. You want to fill it with something really great for somebody. It will make their day. And you can use any of the papers that you want. So just pick out a paper and cut out a few of these pillow boxes. So this is what it looks like once you have it together like this. And then all we did was just added some washi tape, and whatever one you want to use, you can do. I'm going to do a plain one with this print. So you take your washi tape, and then you just run it over the top of the box. And it kind of shuts it and adds just a little something to the box like this. And then you just add a little tag. And we have really great paper in the line that has all kinds of little tags that you can cut out. So really simple. Just add it with a little dot and you have just an adorable gift to lift somebody up in your life. So this is a really fun project to do, and I can't wait to see what you make. So be sure to tag me at Tater Tots and Jello, and then hashtag made with Pebbles, because I want to see what you make. Thanks.